What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Somebody left a comment in one of my previous videos saying that I should do more DIYs, and I thought why not just make this video DIY. So today we're going to be trying to recreate the Maison Margiela Artisanal Kiss shirt. Now you've probably seen it all over Instagram or those archive pages and all of that. I'm going to leave a picture here so you know what I'm talking about. And the really good thing about this DIY is that you probably have the stuff already. All you need is a plain white shirt. And if you don't have one, you can go thrift one for $3 right now. They're all over thrift stores, just a plain white long sleeve shirt and red lipstick. So if you don't have one, your mom might have one, your girlfriend, anyone. So borrow a red lipstick and let's get to work. Alright, so as you can see, I have everything I need here. I'm going to be using this old Calvin Klein shirt that I had in my closet. And I picked this specific one because as you can see in the reference picture here, the neck is kind of short and this one has a short neck as well. So I thought it'd be a nice shirt to use. I have my lipstick here, red. I just bought it, so it's brand new. And then I have some white pieces of paper, and that's just because I want to try out the kisses here first because I have a beard and I don't know how they're going to turn out. So let's see what I do. One thing that I did notice is that over here there's two different color lipsticks and I just have red, so I'm just gonna go with red only. And I think I would rather have only red. It'll just be more uniform and it'll look really cool. So let's see how that turns out. Alright, so I'm here next to the mirror just so I can see while I'm putting my lipstick on. So let's go ahead and crack that open. Alright, so we have the lipstick here and I don't really know how this works, so I'm just gonna go for it. So it's gonna kind of put it on my lips just like that. I don't really know what I'm doing and it doesn't really look that red. So we'll see how that turns out. It's kind of a little uncomfortable here with the beard. I don't know how girls do this all the time, man. I don't know, it's kind of hard. Supposed to do that, right? I think that looks pretty decent. Don't screenshot that, please. And I have my paper here, so I'm gonna test it out and see how that turns out. Alright, so here's a closer look. This is how that looks. And I don't know. I think I need to put a little bit more, just a little bit darker. So let's see. It's gonna kind of just get in there. Alright, let's see now. Yeah, it's still a little bit light, so we'll see how that turns out on the shirt. So let's get to it. Alright, so let's just give it a test run. So we'll see 2 buttons here, 2 buttons here. And the first kiss would be right next to this one here. So let's just go for it and try to see if the kiss comes out. Alright. Yeah, so you can see it's very light, so I'm gonna try and see if I can go a different route about this. Maybe use some paint or something, so let me see. Alright, so I'm gonna try with some red paint. I got some acrylic red paint here. And I got a textile medium, and what this will do is just like help it stick to the fabric a lot, and when you wash it, it doesn't come off. So we'll see how that goes. So let's do the mix. So I'm gonna shake it a little bit, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of fabric medium, some red paint. Alright, and we'll mix that. Just gonna use this to mix it. I think that's pretty good. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm gonna use now to apply this on my lips, because I'm definitely not gonna use this. I need a brand new brush, so let's see what we can come up with. Alright, so we're back in the mirror now, and I got my paint here, I got the paper, and I think I'm just gonna use a Q-tip. So I'm gonna dip the Q-tip on the paint, in the paint. I don't know, I'm not from here, so you guys let me know if it's in and on. And just gonna put it here. I don't know how toxic this is. It's probably really toxic, but hit the like because I'm exposing my life for this. So let's see. I think this is gonna work. I don't think we're gonna need a lot just because it's a lot of paint and it's really wet. So let's try it out. Yeah, that looks really good. It's a closer look. So let's go over to the shirt and finish this up, shall we? Alright, so we're back, and I think I'm gonna do this one over here. That kind of surpasses the seam. So you got a little bit like this, and then the position is like this. I'm just gonna go for it. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Not as I want it to look still, but that looks definitely a lot better. Alright, so next one we're gonna do we did this one, sorta. So we're just gonna do another one on top of this one. And I think I'm gonna face it this way. That's kinda it, no? My lips are just, the shape of them is just weird. And then we're gonna go over to this side over here. So we got the neck, a little bit over to here, and this way. Get it even. Oh, I like that one. This bottom lip is just so thick though. I don't know why. I definitely recommend reapplying every single kiss just so you can get it to work the best. And this is how I look, by the way. So yeah, hit that like. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it, if I'm being honest. Let's count them up and see how many we got. So we got 1, 2, 3 on this side. So 1, 2, 3. And then on this side we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The one that we failed, and 7. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna go over this one again a little bit, and that's it. Yeah, just kind of like make it like that, and yeah, that's it. Let's throw it on and see how that looks. Alright, so here's the final result, and this is how I will style it. We got some pleated trousers that I just made yesterday. Margiela tabbies on foot, of course. And yeah, overall I think it was a success, but definitely let me know what you guys think. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you really enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Definitely tag me if you try out the DIY as well. And so you can see, I'm wearing the Gianno Levi shirt. It's out right now, so if you want to go grab one, giannoliva.com. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.